na tama at maayos ang iyong uniform dahil yan ang unang hakbang ng disiplina. Okay, pasok. Bernadette, bakit ganyan ang suot mo? Pantalon? Di ba dapat nakapalda ka bilang babae? Dahil nilalabag mo ang patakaran ng paaralan.
Ma'am, hindi ko naman po gustong suwayin ang rules. Gusto ko lang ipakita kung sino talaga ako.
Bernadette, rules are rules.
Ma'am, Bernadette isn't doing anything wrong. She just being herself. Dapat po school is a place where you feel safe, not judged.
Steph, this is not about judgment. It's about order and respect. If we let this pass, paano na ang iba?
Pero ma'am, sometimes rules need to change, especially if they stop student from being who they are.
Good morning. May narinig ko akong mainit na usapan dito. Anong mangyayari?
Ma'am, si Bernadette, hindi siya sumusunod sa uniform policy. She's wearing the boys' uniform.
I see. Bernadette, totoo ba yan?
Opo ma'am, sorry po kung parang nilalabag po ang rules, but this is how I should express myself.
Bernadette, you don't have to apologize yourself. Our school values respect and equality. At dahil dyan, kailangan natin respeto ang isa't isa.
Pero ma'am, wala pa po tayong policy about that.
Then maybe, let's make a new one.
Tama po ma'am, dapat ang school ay lugar ng acceptance, hindi discrimination.
Thank you ma'am, natatakot lang talaga akong mapanish ulit.
No, Bernadette, you did nothing wrong. Let's bring this to the school board. Lahat ng estudyante ay may kalayaang makita kung sino talaga sila.
Bernadette, pasensya na kung nakakahiya kita kanina. Hindi ko lang agad naunawa ng nararamdaman mo.
Thank you ma'am, naiintindihan ko lang.
See, ma'am, respect goes both ways. Exactly. Let this be a reminder to all of us that school should be a place where everyone feels they belong.
Dahil, nakaganon ba ako kanina? Ito kanina! Sinasabi ko na to. Pero ma'am, wala pa po tayong policy about that.
That school should